friends, welcome to our channel Father and
Son
Life Stories. So today we're gonna show you a fusion dish, and what that would be?
BurgWich.
It's going to be BurgWich. Alright, so which means it's a fusion of burger and sandwich. So let's see what all things we need to make that stuff to happen.
We need amchur powder, black salt, roasted cumin ground, red chili powder, veg mayonnaise, half lemon, cheese slices, potato.
By the way, it's a boiled potato and we have just cut it so that we kept the things everything ready.
And chopped onions and chopped cilantro, tomatoes, sliced cucumbers.
And don't forget the burger buns, because it's gonna have a style of sandwich but with burger.
And normal salt.
Yeah, normal salt. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let's get started. So first we'll make the fillings for the burger. So I've taken 2 potatoes and I'll mash them. So our potatoes are mashed. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put some onion. So here's the twist, right? In burger, onion goes sliced, but in sandwich, it goes diced. So it's the fusion, right? So we are just balancing it out. And however, tomatoes and cucumbers will still be sliced. So now we're gonna put the salt. Okay, gonna put some red chili powder, black salt, little bit of amchur powder for that peculiar tanginess, roasted cumin powder, and now we'll add a little bit of lemon juice, just very little. It enhances the flavor. Alright, so now we're gonna just mix this with the help of a spoon. Mix it well so that flavor goes in each and every bite. So whenever you're gonna take a bite, it just take it to the next level. Alright, so there you go. So mix it well, mix it well. You need to make sure the flavors are little on the stronger side because your burgers will be bland. So we just want to make sure it's a little bit on the higher side. So I'm gonna just taste one. I guess it needs a little bit of more salt and a little bit of more red chili powder. And I'll put a little more amchur powder. So mixing it again. Mix it well. Alright, so now it has been mixed pretty well, and we'll keep it aside and we'll prep our burgers. Alright, let's see if the burgers have been toasted. Wow, as you can see, it has been toasted pretty well. That's exactly what we needed. Awesome, look at that. So now we'll take our burger here. Now what next we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of mayonnaise on both sides, and then you can use the butter knife to spread it. By the way, keep it light. We just need it for a light flavor. We don't want to overpower the whole potato flavor with the cheese flavor. So very thin layer of it. Okay. Now the next thing that will go on this one is everybody's favorite, cheese. Right, so we're gonna put this on the bottom part of it. Now because the bottom part is a little toasted, it will stick to it. Now the next thing that will go On top of it would be your
tomato
slices, and then a little bit of your cucumbers. Now what we need to do now is we need to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper, right, and some salt. Okay, so what goes next and what makes it different than a regular burger? On this side we will put the potato. All right, so we have filled this generously and just spread it evenly. Okay, now half side is your burger, half side is your sandwich style. Okay, so now we will just flip it and put it on top of each other. So let's take a closer look, right? And the taste of onion will come along with the potato instead of the sliced one, whereas the sliced taste, a slice of tomato and cucumber along with the cheese will give you a flavor of burger. So now we're going to combine these two together to make it BurgWich. Now if it would have been just a burger, this can be served like that. However, we will now slightly heat this one with the butter or ghee or oil of your choice. Let's see this. Now this is ready and we'll do the plating. So this is our burger and we'll cut it in half. So as you can see, cheese has been properly melted, and we can keep a little side of chips to add that extra crunchiness. Alright. And then a dip of your choice. I'm using a pizza sauce here.
Now it's time to taste test the BurgWich. 10 out of 10.
Nice.
Everything is perfect.
Friend, thank you so much for watching this recipe. This is a new fusion dish that we have discovered, and please share of your style. What do you want to make a fusion of it? And as Atharva always says,
don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on how you thought the video was.
Thank you so much, friends. Keep tuned.